You are here. That's a great start. Standing at the crossroads of your life, you have already made a significant decision by choosing to embark on this journey. It's a moment of reflection, a pause to take in the scenic overlook of your past, present, and future. You hold the map of your life in your hands, ready to chart a new course. Taking the first step, seeking inspiration, shows your commitment to growth. Whether it's jotting down your thoughts in a journal, absorbing wisdom from a motivational video, or diving into the pages of a self-help book, each action signifies your dedication to bettering yourself. These small yet powerful steps are the foundation of your journey. It's a choice to unlock your potential. Imagine yourself turning the key in a lock, opening a gate to new possibilities, or breaking free from the chains that have held you back. Each of these actions symbolizes the liberation of your true potential, the beginning of a new chapter where you are the author of your destiny. Welcome to this journey of self-discovery. Picture yourself walking through a serene forest path, hiking up a challenging trail, or simply taking the first step on a new adventure. This journey is uniquely yours, filled with opportunities to learn more about who you are and what you are capable of achieving. The path to a fulfilling life isn't always easy. There will be rocky trails, steep hills, and moments when the fog of uncertainty surrounds you. These challenges are not meant to deter you, but to test your resolve and strengthen your spirit. Each obstacle you overcome adds to your resilience and fortitude. It's full of twists, turns, and unexpected detours. Life's journey is rarely a straight path. You will encounter winding roads through mountains, navigate complex mazes, and face forks in the road where decisions must be made. These twists and turns are what make the journey interesting and worthwhile. But those challenges? They shape you. Think of the person lifting weights, the marathon runner pushing through the final miles, or someone navigating an obstacle course. Each challenge faced and conquered builds your character, making you stronger and more resilient. These experiences are the building blocks of your personal growth. They make you stronger, more resilient. Visualize yourself flexing your muscles, standing firm against the wind, or crossing the finish line of a race. These moments of triumph are a testament to your strength and resilience. They remind you that you have the power to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. Every single person faces obstacles. No one is exempt from the trials and tribulations of life. Look around and you'll see a diverse group of people, each facing their own unique challenges. These hurdles are a universal part of the human experience, reminding us that we are not alone in our struggles. What sets you apart is how you choose to respond. It's not the obstacles themselves that define you, but your response to them. Will you stand up after a fall, lend a hand to someone in need, or choose a new path when the old one no longer serves you? Your choices in these moments shape your journey and your destiny. Do you let challenges define you, or do you rise above them? The choice is yours. Will you let the challenges you face define who you are, or will you rise above them, emerging stronger and more determined? Each struggle is an opportunity to prove to yourself that you are capable of greatness. This is your moment to choose growth. Embrace the journey ahead. You've got this. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Embrace each new day with confidence, and look forward to the future with hope and determination. This is your moment to choose growth, to embrace the journey ahead with open arms. Remember, you've got this. The path may be challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. Life throws curveballs. It's inevitable. You might face setbacks, disappointments, and moments of doubt. But here's the thing. Those challenges are not roadblocks. They are opportunities. Think about a time you overcame a difficult situation. Remember the strength you discovered within yourself? That strength is still there, ready to be tapped into. Each challenge you overcome builds resilience. It teaches you valuable lessons and helps you grow. Embrace the tough times, for they reveal your true potential. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Don't let anyone, including yourself, tell you otherwise. Big goals are important, but don't underestimate the power of small wins. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a victory worth celebrating. Did you stick to a new habit today? Did you step outside your comfort zone? Did you learn something new? These are all wins. Acknowledge them. When you celebrate small victories, you create momentum. You build confidence in your ability to make progress, and that confidence fuels you to keep going. Take a moment to reflect on your progress. What have you accomplished that you're proud of? Celebrate it. You deserve it. Here's a secret. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a stepping stone. Everyone stumbles on their journey, it's part of the process. Instead of fearing failure, embrace it as a learning opportunity. What went wrong? What can you do differently next time? When you allow yourself to make mistakes, you give yourself permission to grow. You learn resilience and resourcefulness. You discover new paths forward. So don't be afraid to stumble. Get back up, dust yourself off, and use those experiences to propel you forward. Section 5. Finding your tribe. You don't have to do this alone. Life is a journey filled with ups and downs, and having a supportive network can make all the difference. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, support you, and believe in your dreams. Find your tribe. These are the people who will stand by you through thick and thin, offering a shoulder to lean on and a hand to hold. Connect with people who share your values, your passions, and your goals. Whether it's through professional networks, hobby groups, or social gatherings, seek out those who resonate with your spirit. Seek out mentors, join communities, and build relationships that nourish your soul. Mentors can provide guidance and wisdom, helping you navigate the complexities of life and career. Communities offer a sense of belonging and shared purpose. When you have a strong support system, challenges feel less daunting. The collective strength of your tribe can help you overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. You have people to celebrate your victories with and offer encouragement when you stumble. They are there to share in your joy and lift you up when you need it most. Remember, you are not an island. No one is meant to go through life alone. We are social beings, and our connections with others are what give life meaning and depth. Reach out, connect, and build a network of support that empowers you to thrive. Embrace the power of community and let it propel you towards a brighter, more fulfilling future. Your tribe is out there, waiting to be found. All you need to do is take the first step and reach out. Section 6. The power of sharing. Sharing is a fundamental human experience that transcends cultures, languages, and generations. It is through sharing that we connect with one another, build relationships, and foster a sense of community. Whether it's sharing a meal, a story, or a piece of advice, the act of sharing has the power to transform lives. Your story has the power to inspire others. When you open up about your experiences, you offer a piece of yourself to the world. This act of vulnerability can be incredibly empowering, not just for you, but for those who hear your story. It can provide comfort, guidance, and hope to someone who may be going through a similar situation. When you share your journey, your struggles, and your triumphs, you create connections and ignite hope. These connections can lead to a support network that can help you navigate through life's challenges. They can also inspire others to share their own stories, creating a ripple effect of positivity and support. You create connections and ignite hope. Sharing your story can be a catalyst for change, both in your life and in the lives of others. It can help break down barriers, reduce stigma, and promote understanding and empathy. By sharing your experiences, you contribute to a culture of openness and acceptance. Share your experiences with friends, family, or even online. The digital age has made it easier than ever to share our stories with a wider audience. Social media platforms, blogs, and online communities provide a space for us to connect with others, share our experiences, and find support. Your vulnerability can be a source of strength for others who are facing similar challenges. By sharing your story, you not only inspire others, but also solidify your own commitment to growth. It can be a powerful reminder of your resilience and strength, and a testament to how far you've come. Your vulnerability can be a source of strength for others who are facing similar challenges. By sharing your story, you not only inspire others, but also solidify your own commitment to growth. It can be a powerful reminder of your resilience and strength, and a testament to how far you've come. Sharing your story can also help you gain new perspectives and insights, as others share their experiences and offer their support. You not only inspire others, but also solidify your own commitment to growth. It's a powerful reminder of how far you've come and how much you're capable of achieving. Your voice matters, your story matters. Don't be afraid to share it with the world. By doing so, you can make a difference in the lives of others and contribute to a more compassionate and understanding world, but also solidify your own commitment to growth. It's a powerful reminder of how far you've come and how much you're capable of achieving. Your voice matters, your story matters. Don't be afraid to share it with the world. By doing so, you can make a difference in the lives of others and contribute to a more compassionate and understanding world. It's a powerful reminder of how far you've come and how much you're capable of achieving. Your voice matters, Your story matters. Don't be afraid to share it with the world. By doing so, you can make a difference in the lives of others and contribute to a more compassionate and understanding world. And how much you're capable of achieving. Your voice matters, your story matters. Don't be afraid to share it with the world. By doing so, you can make a difference in the lives of others and contribute to a more compassionate and understanding world. Don't be afraid to share it with the world. By doing so, you can make a difference in the lives of others and contribute to a more compassionate and understanding world. Remember, your story is unique, and it has the power to touch hearts and change lives. So, take that step, share your journey, and watch as the world becomes a little brighter because of your courage and openness. Section 7. Your call to action. You've read the words. Now it's time to take action. What resonated with you the most? What's one small step you can take today to move closer to your goals? Write it down, commit to it, and then take that step. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect plan. Start where you are with what you have. Remember, action creates momentum. The more you act, the more you build confidence and attract opportunities. So take that first step today. What are you waiting for? The time is now. Section 8. Believe in your potential. You have within you the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. Believe in your potential even when doubts creep in. You are capable of greatness. You are strong, resilient, and resourceful. You have overcome challenges before, and you will overcome them again. Trust in the journey. Trust in yourself. You've got this. The world needs your unique talents and perspectives. Don't hold back. Step into your power and let your light shine. Section 9. Start today. Don't wait for tomorrow, next week, or next year to start living the life you desire. The best time to take action is always now. What is one small step you can take today to move closer to your goals? Do it, and then do it again tomorrow, and the day after that. Consistency is key. Small, consistent actions lead to extraordinary results over time. So, start today. Your future self will thank you for it. You've got this. Now, go make it happen.